Thank you, Chair. I think the CEO and the Chair have said a lot of the essence of what we were here for. But as the name suggests, it's Fiji Coconut Millers Pte Limited. As you know, before it used to be known as Copra Millers. Copra is very limiting in itself because you're only limiting to copra as a product. And copra, as the Chair highlighted and also the CEO, it's a commodity, so therefore you're subject to world commodity price fluctuations. And therefore there is no guarantee necessarily of a fixed price for the farmers. We have, of course, over the number of years been, in the past few years in fact, been giving Copra Millers Fiji, as it was known then, a particular subsidy so they could subsidize the farmers so they could get a minimum rate for the copra that they produced or they supplied to Copra Millers Fiji Limited. As also highlighted by the Chair, we've started giving $20 per a coconut palm that is actually planted and indeed successfully planted. So you get the full $20 at the end of the first year. The name is highlighted again. Fiji Coconut Millers is part of the branding exercise, the Fijian brand that we have. We need to capitalize on the Fijian brand. You know, you have Film Fiji, Investment Fiji, Fiji Airways, Fijian Broadcasting Corporation, Fiji Ports Limited, Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, Fiji Rice, I forgot Fiji Rice, and of course Ports Terminal Fiji. So these are the sort of brands we need to capitalize to be able to know that the customers that actually use your products are associated with a particular brand. It also is highlighted by the Chair by expanding the name to have, to have the word coconut in it. It means that you can use it for a lot of products. So you have cooking oil, you have virgin oil, you have other types of products that are extracted from this particular nut. Of course, it has been highlighted continuously throughout the world that it is actually quite, a fad in many countries now. And of course, we have, the coconut water. Who knows? One day we may be able to do bottled coconut water. If you go to supermarkets in various countries throughout the world, they actually sell coconut water for you to drink off the shelf. So I'd like to thank the chairman in particular. As you know, he brings a lot of energy and enthusiasm to whichever companies that he actually gets involved in. You can see the shirt that he's wearing. He's got the wrong shirt actually today. But the cane growers, of course, he's involved with them too. And he's also involved in Fiji Rice, where they have done a lot of wonderful things. And indeed, both these two organizations, Fiji Rice and also now Fiji Coconut Millers, are based in Vanuatu. So it is a key, they are key institutions in the Vanuatu economy. And notwithstanding what we have at the moment, we're going through a pandemic, we need to remain positive, we need to remain focused, and this is the time, of course, to be able to capitalize and many of those reforms and build in those reforms that is necessary to be able to position ourselves when things get back to what they were in terms of economic activity. So thank you once again, CEO and the team, and also the Chair. We'd like to thank you very much for that, and I have much pleasure now, of course, in launching the new Fiji Coconut Millers Pte Limited. Naka, thank you.